easy nighttime solutions. If your child does not get away with a normal cloth diaper during the night, they pee for Canada, these are some of the good options you can try. So the easiest way is to get some fitted diapers. This is Sandy's from Mother Ease. This is a bamboo, don't think they make them anymore, made out of bamboo. This is cotton, and this is a Sloom or sustainable babyish, also bamboo. And some covers. I would recommend either Mother Ease Airflow. They're nice and poofy, and the name gives it away, Airflow. They let some moisture evaporate. Or you go for double gussets, because they'll give you the most space in your nighttime diaper. A lot of the times if you just have one insert in your diaper, your baby rolls around and it just leaks out the side. So fitted is going to prevent that. Okay, so normally what your best bet is just to set this up. This may not be the right size, we'll have to work with that. Put that underneath and put your fitted on top. This one is adjustable in size and height. So this is probably the smallest right now. Can maybe make it a bit bigger, a bit longer. And then you may find that your baby needs more absorbency than what is in the fitted. So then you just need some extra inserts. Cotton is a great alternative. Hemp, more cotton. Cotton with a fleece liner on top. This is bamboo. Bamboo is relatively absorbent. It's a bit of a slow absorber, but you can put a thinner cotton on top. And generally a nighttime diaper will be quite bulky, but as long as your baby's comfortable, there's not really a big problem with that. And then depending on how sensitive your baby is to the wetness feel, you can add a stay dry liner. This one is, I'm just doing a video. This is an athletic wicking jersey from Little Helper. There's their stay dry liners. Or you can just get a fleece liner. Has the same effect. They come in different shapes and sizes in our kits. This one's a bit of a bigger one. It covers a bigger area. So let's use this one. You can see it's a little bit too long at the bottom. You can just fold it over. And then you can put that on your baby. Depending how that fits. Just to make sure that nothing pokes out the side. So I would just push this in a little bit. The inserts and the fleece liner and on top. And then you just put your cover on. Just make sure nothing pokes out. So this is a bit too short. So I'm gonna lengthen the rise on this one. This is a Rig and Gig cover. They're nice and big. They go to, that's a good size. Okay. It goes around there. There you go, and again, just make sure nothing pokes out the side here. And this just gives you more space, right? You can put a lot more absorbency in here, actually. You can see there's still a gap. So sometimes if your fit is compromised because you've put too many inserts inside the fitted, so for example here, you can't push this in, then what you can do, put the fitted on. So leave the liner in there. There we go. Put it on as you normally would. And then put your absorbency on the outside. So you may need to do this beforehand. Like that. Then you still have a good fit here for any escapes, no gaps. But you still have extra absorbency once this is full, it then will continue to soak onto here and onto here, and then that can give you a better fit around the legs. And that's that. It's a bit of a trial and error sometimes. Some kids go through phases where they pee a lot more and then they're okay again. So if you're just getting the occasional leak, it may just be that. Don't give up. And happy cloth diapering.